have again beautiful students in KU tutors. This is our biology class. I remain Jonathan Agbanoma. The biology teacher for today. We want to look at the difference between hormonal and nervous coordination. The difference between hormonal and nervous coordination. Now, as you can see, hormonal coordination is on this side, while nervous is here. Now, in hormonal coordination, it involves transmission of chemical substances in the bloodstream. Chemical substances, hormones. Example of hormones are what? Thiamine. In the bloodstream, not oxygen is that of plant. Hormones, thiamine. What are other examples of hormones? Adrenaline and others, is it not? They are transmitted in the bloodstream. But in nervous coordination, it involves transmission of electric impulses and chemical substances by nervous system. Somebody suddenly prick your skin with a sharp object. Your mouth will talk. Is it your mouth that is pricked? No. There's a message, a transmission of impulses from your skin straight to the spinal cord, straight to the brain. Because in nervous coordination, we are looking at the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. The peripheral are the ones coming from the limbs. Central is your brain and your what? Spinal cord. You are going to get that details later. Now, response to stimuli is slow in hormones. It is slow, like digestion, using enzymes. The digestion of food substances is slow. It's not immediate. But in nervous coordination, it is what? Fast. Fast. Adrenaline is secreted when you are afraid, is it not? When you are afraid, look at this corridor, one-story building. You suddenly want to go down the staircase and you now see a lion coming up the staircase. You will not need to waste time. You will see yourself jumping from the first floor to the ground floor without thinking about anything. You will not be thinking about the fear of breaking your bones, because adrenaline will be secreted immediately and you're not going into action. So you see, it's fast. Hormones are secreted into the bloodstream and carried to the different parts of the body. In hormones, they go through blood circulation. While in nervous coordination, nervous impulses are transmitted by a particular location or target organs by a particular set of what? Nerves. You have the what? The efferent neuron, and you have the what? Afferent neuron, which we are going to explain later. Now, the target is usually far away from the site of production in hormonal coordination. The pituitary gland, you know those glands, the pituitary glands and others, where those hormones are used, they are far away from the site of production. But in nervous coordination, the target may be near or may be what? Far. Responses may last for a long time in hormonal coordination, but in nervous coordination is short-lived, just for a short period of time. There's what is called voluntary action and what? Involuntary action, which we are going to consider. Secretion of hormones and their actions are what? Involuntary. Involuntary, yeah. You cannot control it, whether you like it or not. As soon as you put your food in the mouth, saliva will be what? Secreted. And inside the saliva, you have the enzyme thiamine. Naturally, it will just come. As soon as your food gets into your stomach, the gastric juices will be secreted, is it not? The dilute hydrochloric acid will be produced, and all other enzymes, renin and what else, will be secreted into the stomach and others. So you see that then we have nervous coordination and their responses are voluntary and involuntary. Nervous is voluntary and involuntary. For example, I want to move. I want to move. It's voluntary because I want to move. The blinking of your eyes is involuntary. Whether you like it or not, your eyes must blink. Is it not? Whether you like it or not, you will yawn when you must yawn. It's not something you will control. The swallowing of food gullet, you cannot control. The regurgitation, that is, you cannot be controlled. As soon as food, you cannot control it. As soon as it enters your esophagus or gullet, you cannot say it will not go down. Are you following? So it's involuntary. Why some are voluntary, others are involuntary. Hormonal coordination occurs in both plants and animals. Yeah, you mentioned auxin. In both plant and animals. But nervous coordination occurs only in animals. At this stage, I want to say this kind of explanation of the differences between hormonal coordination and nervous coordination. Thank you for listening.
I have a question.
Now, please, can you respond to the question?
Video me from
Come on. What's the question? Now, let's say, you mention your name.
Well, my name is Isaac.
From which state of Nigeria?
From Lagos State.
Lagos State, okay.
My question is about the first differences between hormonal and
Okay.
nervous coordination.
So what's about
and it's based on nervous coordination. So
okay, yes, nervous coordination.
over there it states that it involves transmission of electrical impulses and chemical substances by the
Nervous system, yes.
My question there is the word electrical impulses. I still need more elaboration on it.
Okay.
Is it that there are electrical charges within us?
Okay.
Like out of the
Now the questioner is a chemistry student, that's why he's asking. When you say electrical impulses, it is not something you can see. Okay, I pick your skin. You feel it, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Did you feel the movement?
No, sir.
But immediately you felt it.
Yes,
Again, did you feel the movement?
No, sir.
But you felt it. You switch on the light. Will you see the movement of electrons before the light will be on? So it's electrical impulses. It's like electrical impulses.
Okay.
It's light. Yes, light.
Not electrical.
No, it's light. The word should be. It
should be changed.
Tradition of light.